Hi Sandeep and Nidhi, good afternoon. This is a quick view for you to help self-serve. Your IDs are working fine. If you try and access, you will be able to get it. Sandeep Menti at PicklexMN.com, and your password is default, like the first name, last name at 123. That's what it formats. When I log in, you will be on this screen. You will need to select the league you are working on. As you can see that I have created the 0 to Wednesday intermediate 3 to 4 already, and this is where you create, right? So go ahead and create the leagues as you want. Important is this type. There are like six types here. The type that we are currently using is doubles individual. Just be very careful with this because there is a lot of logic that runs based on this league type. So that's very important. If you select this duper recorded, the games are going to get pushed to duper, assuming the players that you add have their duper IDs on the file. If not, then the lock score will fail. So keep that in mind. Rounds per day is selected as 2. That's important as well. That's just to follow the kind of fixture that we followed for Sunday. So as long as you keep these intact, you will be fine. Now let's come back and build your round here. So when I say build round and select the Wednesday league, you select upload by data, and from here I'll select all the names that you have: Eric, Taylor, Adam, Preston. Let's go about Eric, adding all of them: Adam, Taylor, and the next would be Preston, Curtis, Natalie, Preston, Curtis, Natalie, and we have Ben, Ian, Kathleen, Franklin. Ben, Ian, Kathleen, not Karen. All right, so these are the 10 players that you want. You can confirm the number from here. When I say build round, that just builds the rounds. So the round is now here. If you go to manage rounds, you'll be able to see the round 1 created, and if you download, that's your round PDF. And if you want to make adjustments to this, you do an edit round, and now you'll be able to say move people around. Say if you want to move Curtis to round 2, you will adjust this and say Natalie to round 1. And if I say submit, now you see that Natalie is in round 1 and Curtis has been moved to round 2. If you go ahead and pull this, do this download again, you will see the change reflected here as well. Natalie is in round 1 or group 1, and Curtis had moved to group 2. Right, so that's how it's going to work. Once the round is done, you enter the scores, then you lock the score. That's how you'll see the scorecard getting generated here. Currently, there's nothing in here. Once the score is logged, then you will be able to build the round again, and this time you will use apply ladder on previous round. This will do the 1 up and 1 down. You don't need to do that manually. Once you do the 1 up apply ladder on previous round and build a round 2, it should look very similar to, exactly similar to if players have done the 1 up and 1 down calculations right. The way they played the games, that is exactly how the round 2 will get built, and you will be able to enter the scores. If it does not look exactly how the players played, then just make minor adjustments by editing the round so that it looks exactly how the round 2 was played, and enter the scores, lock the scores, and there you go. And the players are created as well in the system. That's how we have been able to add them here, and they will be able to log in using the default password pattern that I shared the other day, and they should be good to see the stats as well. Hope this helps. All right, talk to you soon. Thank you.